So your girl's been working. Your girl's been working. It probably took me at least about 2 days, 2 sewing days, because like, you know, it's not the whole day, but 2 sewing days to cut out all of the pieces. Hey you guys, the Doc is Ho here and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well and having a great week so far. So today I am at my cutting table slash putting things together table, construction table, that's what I'm looking for. And I am going to share with you guys my latest project that I've started working on. Okay, so I have been in love with this jacket ever since I first saw it, and I'm finally making it. It's going to take probably a few weeks, but I'm so excited about this jacket. This is a Simplicity Mimi G style pattern. It's Simplicity 0342, which is this super cute jacket. I'm trying to get it without the glare. I think that's it. Super cute jacket right here. So I am in love with this jacket, you guys. This jacket, I'm actually using a black denim and then a black faux leather for the contrasting. And I think it's going to be super cute. So let me tell you guys a little bit about the jacket. It is a Mrs. Line jacket with individual pattern pieces for your cup sizes, which I love because it gives you like a nice tailored individualized fit, especially specifically for your cup size. So I'm in love with that. Let me show you guys what these line drawings look like. And y'all, this pattern has a whole bunch of pieces, like a ton. Here we go. Okay, got it. So here are the line drawings. There's two versions of this jacket. There's jacket A and there's jacket B. As you can see, A is pretty much the same as B, except that it has these pockets on the front and it has a belt. And then B here is just the regular jacket with buttons, no pockets, no belt. So I'm actually sewing up view B because I just love how it looks. And I think it's going to be super cute. So you guys, I have already started. I started today on this jacket and it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. There's a lot going on. I have gotten to step 3. There are at least 31 steps, maybe even more. So I'm on step 3. There's a lot of interfacing going on. There's the contrasting with the faux leather. There's a lining going on. There's your regular fabric. There's your contrasting. There's your interfacing. So lots of things. So it's a pretty intricate pattern. I don't know if she actually rated this. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think she actually rated this pattern, but I would gather that it's not rated easy. At least average, possibly difficult. So this pattern actually has 22 pattern pieces. 22. So I have them all cut out. I'm not going to go through all of them, but you know, we've got an undersleeve, all the things. I'm currently working on my back and back vent, which I marked here with my little chalk line. I got the front pretty much done this morning, which I really like so far. So this is my front. You see the contrasting faux leather, did a little top stitching there. And then my denim, my black denim, this little bust curve here was a doozy because it didn't want to fit into the other, into the front piece. The side front and the front, they didn't want to join. They weren't getting along. So I had to do a little manipulating and maneuvering to get this to go how it needs to go. But I'm very happy with how it's turned out so far. So that is as far as I've gotten so far. As you can see, all of this is interfaced. So interfacing. you're gonna be doing a lot of interfacing. But this is gonna be a very sturdy jacket, probably very warm, and it's gonna last for a long, long time because durability is the name of the game, right? So excited about this jacket. Can't wait to share with you guys when I finally finish it, which again, probably is going to be a few weeks, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below if you guys have made this jacket, if you have this pattern, if you're thinking about making it. I would love to know how it turned out for you. I had a lot of different like layouts because you had to cut out your fabric, you had to cut out your lining and your interfacing. So all of those have their own separate layouts. So yeah, I'll show you guys like what the cutting layouts are looking like because they're pretty intense. So here goes my lining layout. This was for view B, which is here. You see all those lining layouts there. Had to follow those. And then your lining was piece 2, 6, 13, 14, 15, and 16. And then your actual jacket layout, which is here. Which, let's see, which one of these did I use? I used this one with the 60-inch with fabric. So I used, the good part was that it was just one layout. So both right sides facing, selvages facing up, and I cut out all these pieces, which were 6, 10, 11, 12, 18, 19, and 21. And then you had your contrast layout, which is here, which are pieces 8, 9, 20, and 22. And then you had your interfacing layout. So interfacing 2, 8, 9, 10, 18, 19, 20, and 22. So your girl's been working. Your girl's been working. It probably took me at least about 2 days, 2 sewing days, because like, you know, it's not the whole day, but 2 sewing days to cut out all of the pieces, all of the lining, all of the interfacing, all of the contrasting. But I feel like it's going to be well worth it for the end result. So you guys stay tuned. I can't wait to share with you this jacket. These are my sewing plans for the week. And yeah, can't wait for you guys to see how it turns out. All right, well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up down below. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. Hit that subscribe button so we can continue to hang out together and you guys can continue to catch these fun videos. All right, well, until next time, I hope you guys have a great weekend and I will see you later.